Hello, welcome everyone. Here's an open house video located here in the village of Pine Ridge. This is a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom courtyard villa that's block and stucco. The list price is $390,000. Let's go inside, friends, and take a look. Hello, welcome everyone. Thanks for liking my videos and subscribing to my channel. Today's an open house video located here in the village of Pine Ridge in the Villages, Florida. This is a 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom Anaheim courtyard villa that's made of block and stucco. I will take a panoramic view of the street. That is the street facing east. This is the street facing west. We are in the village of Pine Ridge. This home is list price for $390,000. It has a roof that was replaced in the year 2015. It does have a 1.5 car garage. And this home is located very close to Brownwood Paddock Square and Colony Plaza for your shopping needs. Let's go inside, friends, and take a look. Here I am, standing in the foyer area, and the first thing I notice is this beautiful tile floors. There is a guest bedroom straight ahead of you. Off to the right, you will see the entrance to the 1.5 car garage. Let's take a look at what that garage looks like. This is a 1.5 car garage. That garage door is insulated. That's why you see that silver coating. This is a block and stucco home. You will find the mechanicals behind those raised panel doors. That is your hot water heater there in the corner. This home is very clean. The concrete is in very good condition. As I walk into this home, this is your guest bedroom. Tile floors continuing. You have shutters there as well. This room is in good condition. Raised panel bifold doors as well. Let's take a look at what the closet looks like. You do see the tile floors continuing. It has a wire rack shelf in there as well. Back into the foyer area. This home is turnkey as well. As we walk into the kitchen area, you do see the tile floors continuing. Plantation shutters, Formica countertops, wood cabinets, electric stove, 2-bowl stainless sink right there. This home has very high acoustic, that is knockdown textured ceiling as well. Off to the left, you do see a guest area as well. This is your laundry area. Tile floors continuing in the laundry area. White cabinets, Formica countertop over there. This is your guest bathroom, tile floors, Formica countertop right there. Knockdown textured ceiling. There is a recessed light. This is your tub. That is a plastic or a fiberglass surround on that tub as well. This home is very neat, very clean. There is a sliding pocket door. You can close this guest quarter off. This is another guest bedroom. Tile floors continuing. Knockdown texture. Plantation shutters. This bedroom does have bifold doors on the closet as well. I'll show you what that looks like. It does have shelving units in there as well. This would be a linen closet for your guest bathroom. That is your linen closet. I will video the specification sheet to give you an idea of the particulars of this home. This home is located at 893 Parish Place in the Villages. List price $390,000. This is a turnkey home, no bond, roof replaced in 2015. HVAC and water heater also replaced in the year 2015. 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom block and stucco courtyard villa here in the village of Pine Ridge. I will take you through a tour of the rest of the home. You do see the tile floors continuing in the living and dining area. Sliding patio door leading out into the side patio. Off to the left, you do see the primary bedroom. This bedroom has carpet on the floors. That appears to be a queen-size bed to give you perspective. Tray ceiling, knockdown texture, plantation shutters. This home is turnkey. Thank you for liking and thank you for subscribing. This is your primary bathroom, tile floors. It has a separate commode room with a door. Recessed light as well. That vanity seems to be extra tall. Formica countertop, one sink. Off to the right, you do have a walk-in closet with a sliding pocket door. That is carpet on the floor in the closet. Wire shelves for storage. Very nice. There you have a walk-in shower with a glass door. That shower is tiled. Tiled floor, tile surround, very neutral tile. Recessed light in the ceiling. Has a seat as well. Let's walk to the back of this home and see what the lanai has to offer. Let's see what the lanai shows. This is the lanai. It has tile floors, beautiful tile floors. Lots of windows in this lanai. That is a storm door over there, friends. Looks like they extended this lanai. Thanks for liking. Thanks for subscribing. We'll spin around and show you what it looks like. The back of this home does face north. Let's take a walk outside. Here is the outside patio area. This is the outside patio. Very clean home. Block and stucco. Village of Pine Ridge. The spec sheet shows that the AC was replaced in the year 2015, as well as the roof and the hot water heater. This home has maintenance-free exterior. I'll show you the back of the home. That is the back of your home there. I believe this is an extended lanai. You can see they extended it from there to there. Thank you for liking. Thank you for subscribing. Here we are walking back into the home. Give you a panoramic view of this living and kitchen area. This home is very clean. Very high ceilings. Very comfortable home located here in the village of Pine Ridge. Next, I will walk out into the street. I'll show you what that looks like again. Give you a panoramic view of that street area. As always, if you have more questions about this home, please contact your listing agent, Karen Kamperman, or your showing agent today is Pauline Cran. I will include their contact information in the description of the video. There is your home, friends. 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, block and stucco, Courtyard villa located here in the village of Pine Ridge. This home was built in the year 2015. List price $390,000. Have a great weekend, everyone. Take care. Thank you for taking this open home tour with me here in the village of Pine Ridge. This 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom Courtyard villa is made of block and stucco and is list priced for $390,000. Have a great weekend. Take care.